You and your team live your work lives in Salesforce, and Chargent makes your team's lives better by keeping payments simple. Improve your collection efficiency by enabling your customers to pay via a link. Your staff never sees the card number, which lowers your PCI scope. Support your company's brand identity by using your look and feel in all emails and forms. Payments update instantly. Payment requests can be fully automated or sent manually. We've made it flexible to fit your process. With Chargent Anywhere, your sales team can take payments from where they work. Less time collecting, more time selling. Your sales team will love how simple it is for them to charge, authorize, and void, right from the page they are already on. Don't get stuck with cumbersome, error-prone processes to take recurring payments from your customers. Chargent automates your recurring payments in just a few clicks. Make recurring payments simple. Set it and forget it with Chargent Recurrent Billing. Enable your customers to pay in your Salesforce community. Your customers make payments themselves, which lowers PCI scope and deflects calls from your team, saving you time and money. At Chargent, our only focus is being your payment experts. Chargent makes payments simple. Want to know how much we can save you? Ask your Chargent account executive to analyze the ROI for you today. We're always here to help.